Hello, science fans. Today, let's talk trash. Literally. Have you ever wondered what happens to all the stuff we throw away every single day? From food wrappers to broken gadgets, our waste doesn't just disappear, it has to go somewhere. And the story of where it ends up is both fascinating and alarming. Every year, humans produce over 2 billion metric tons of waste. That's a mind-boggling amount, enough to fill thousands of football stadiums from top to bottom with trash. To put it in perspective, more than 300 million elephants in weight. Imagine a parade of elephants stretching around the globe, all made of garbage. And the problem is only getting bigger. By 2050, we could be making almost double that amount if we don't change our habits. Our landfills are growing at an astonishing rate, swallowing up more land every year. Landfills are overflowing, and the consequences are serious. These mountains of trash don't just sit there harmlessly. As food and organic waste rot, they release methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide, which speeds up climate change. Toxic leachate, a dangerous liquid formed as rainwater filters through waste, seeps into the soil and pollutes our rivers and groundwater, threatening wildlife and our own health. And it's not just pollution. When we toss out electronics, plastics, and metals, we're losing valuable resources that could be reused or recycled, wasting energy and raw materials. The US leads the world in per-person waste, with each American throwing away about 5 pounds of trash every day, more than almost any other country. Yet despite all this waste, we recycle less than a quarter of what we throw away. Most recyclable materials end up buried instead of being given a second life. Most of our trash ends up in landfills, fueling climate change and environmental damage. These sites often border natural habitats, putting ecosystems at risk. We're running out of space and time. Cities are struggling to find new places to put their garbage, and open land is disappearing fast. Digging bigger holes isn't the answer. It's just a temporary fix that creates more problems down the line. We need a smarter, more sustainable approach to waste, one that uses science, innovation, and community action to make a real difference. Imagine if we could turn this crisis into an opportunity. What if our trash could help build a cleaner, greener future? What if we could rethink trash, not as garbage, but as a resource, waiting to be transformed into something new and valuable? That's where science and technology step in, offering creative solutions to sort, recycle, and even upcycle our waste. Innovative solutions are emerging to tackle our waste problem head-on, from smart recycling robots to new ways of turning trash into energy and useful products. The future of our planet depends on how we handle our trash today. Our choices will shape the world for generations to come. It's time to stop burying the problem and start solving it. Each of us can play a part, from recycling more to supporting innovative waste solutions. Let's explore how we can transform our waste crisis into a chance for real change. By working together, thinking creatively, and taking action. And it all starts with reimagining what we throw away. The journey to a cleaner planet begins with each decision we make about our trash. Recycling sounds simple. Just toss your bottles, cans, and paper into the right bin, and you've done your part for the planet, right? It's a comforting idea, and one that's been promoted for decades as a key solution to our waste problem. But the reality is much messier and more complicated than most people realize. Our recycling systems are struggling to keep up with the sheer volume and complexity of modern waste. Globally, only about 19% of waste is actually recycled properly. The vast majority, over 80%, ends up in landfills, is burned in incinerators, or escapes into the environment, polluting our land and waterways. One major problem is contamination. Items like greasy pizza boxes or food-soiled plastics can spoil entire batches of recyclables, making them worthless and forcing them to be sent to the landfill instead. Sorting recyclables is still mostly done by hand in many places. It's a slow, labor-intensive, and sometimes dangerous job, and it simply can't keep pace with the mountains of waste we produce every day. As a result, many recycling facilities are overwhelmed. Even when people try to recycle correctly, much of what they collect still ends up in the dump because the system can't handle it. On top of that, there's widespread confusion about what's actually recyclable. This leads to wish cycling, when people toss in items they hope are recyclable, but aren't, which only makes the problem worse. Many materials like certain plastics have such low value that it's not economically viable to recycle them. Combined with high sorting costs, cities often have no choice but to send these items straight to the landfill. To truly fix recycling, we need smarter, faster, and more efficient systems, ones that can handle the complexity and scale of our waste and adapt as new materials are introduced. The answer isn't just to recycle more but to recycle better, making sure that what goes into the bin actually gets a second life. That's where technology comes in, offering new hope for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Enter artificial intelligence, our new recycling superhero. AI-powered systems use advanced cameras and sensors to scan trash on conveyor belts, identifying materials in milliseconds. These super eyes can distinguish between plastics, metals, and even red labels. Once identified, robotic arms or air jets sort items with incredible speed, up to 1,000 pieces per hour. This is a massive leap from the 50 to 80 items a human can sort. AI dramatically reduces contamination, producing cleaner, higher-value recyclables. Manufacturers are more likely to buy these materials, fueling a circular economy. AI is transforming our waste stream into a valuable resource. The future of recycling is here, and it's smarter than ever. Let's see how it works in the real world. In southeastern Virginia, a landfill crisis sparked a bold solution. The region partnered with AMP Robotics to build a cutting-edge AI-powered recycling facility. The goal: use AI robots to pull recyclables from mixed trash before it hits the landfill. Early results were stunning. AI cut landfill waste by over half. The new facility aims to divert at least 50% of incoming waste, extending landfill life by decades. Recycling rates are set to nearly triple, and residents may soon enjoy a simple one-bin system. No more sorting confusion. AI handles it all. This project shows how smart tech can deliver real environmental and community benefits. It's a model for cities everywhere. When we invest in innovation, everyone wins. Virginia's story proves it. So, how does AI see trash? It's a fascinating process that combines advanced technology with environmental stewardship. High-res cameras and sensors scan every item on the conveyor, feeding images to AI trained on millions of waste examples. These cameras capture intricate details, ensuring nothing is missed. The AI analyzes shape, color, logos, and even material fingerprints using infrared light. This allows it to distinguish between different types of plastics, metals, and paper with incredible accuracy. It can sort over 100 categories: clear versus green bottles, office paper versus newspaper, and more. This level of sorting precision is crucial for effective recycling. This precision creates pure streams of recyclables, making them more valuable. Clean, sorted materials are easier to process and can be sold at higher prices, benefiting the entire recycling chain. AI systems can also tackle construction debris and e-waste, recovering metals and materials for reuse. This not only reduces landfill waste, but also conserves natural resources. The result: less contamination, more recycling, and new possibilities for what we once called garbage. Cleaner recycling streams mean higher quality materials for new products. With this level of detail, AI unlocks the hidden value in our waste. By identifying and extracting valuable materials, AI turns trash into treasure. It's not just about sorting, it's about seeing opportunity in every item. Each piece of waste has the potential to be repurposed or recycled into something new. That's the power of smart recycling. By leveraging AI, we can create a more sustainable future, where waste is minimized and resources are maximized. AI isn't just sorting trash, it's helping us create new products from waste. In Virginia, AI separates organic material like food scraps and yard waste. This organic waste is transformed into biochar through pyrolysis, a process that locks away carbon for centuries. Biochar enriches soil, boosts crop yields, and even strengthens concrete. By converting waste into biochar, we fight climate change and create valuable resources. About 30% of the facility's waste will become biochar, turning trash into a climate solution. This is circular economy in action. Waste becomes a beginning, not an end. AI makes it possible by identifying and separating materials with precision. We're not just recycling, we're reimagining what waste can do. The future is about turning yesterday's trash into tomorrow's treasure. Worried that robots will take jobs? In recycling, AI is creating better ones. Robots handle the dangerous, repetitive sorting, while people move into higher-skilled roles: technicians, engineers, and supervisors. Studies show a 15% increase in recycling jobs thanks to AI. Facilities save money on labor and sell cleaner recyclables for higher prices. Lower costs mean savings for cities and residents. Most importantly, AI makes recycling safer, reducing worker injuries by over a third. It's a win for workers, communities, and the planet. Smarter recycling means better jobs and a safer industry. AI is powerful, but it's not a cure-all. High-tech systems require big investments. Hundreds of millions for new facilities. Running AI uses lots of energy and water, so we must power it with renewables to stay green. Upgrading hardware creates e-waste, so recycling old tech is essential. Most importantly, AI can only sort the trash we make. It can't stop us from creating it. We still need to reduce waste at the source. Less packaging, more reusables, and smarter choices. Technology helps, but it's not a silver bullet. Real change means combining innovation with responsibility. We must clean up and stop making the mess. We've seen how AI is revolutionizing recycling, turning trash into valuable resources. From tripling recycling rates to creating carbon-capturing biochar, the impact is real. But technology alone isn't enough. The best way to manage waste is to create less of it. Every choice matters. Reusable bags, less packaging, supporting sustainable companies. The future depends on teamwork, smart tech, and smart choices. Together, we can tackle the waste crisis and build a cleaner, healthier world. Let's get to work.